Good morning, everybody. Welcome into Earl and Hammer Fishing. This morning it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm out here on Tim's Sport again this morning. I've had lost two on the buzz bait. I'm still throwing a buzz bait. They were short striking it, so I put a cheater hook on it. And that's my setup right there. You can see the hook on the back. What's that for? When they're short striking at that tail, hopefully that back hook would get into them. Them first two I'd lost, I didn't have my cheater hook on it, so I put that on it to see if that'd help me get hooked up. I've caught one smallmouth. He was about 16 and a half. And I caught one largemouth, and I've got him in the live well, and I'll show him to it before I close out. But all I'm doing is just going down this bank. The water temp's like 80.6, and just going down. The water's a little stained, but I'm just throwing this buzz bait, and there a puppy, and actually that one largemouth I caught, he had hit at that buzz bait and he blew on it, but he missed it. So I went back in behind it with a jerk bait, and about two twitches he grabbed it, and that's what I caught him on, was a jerk bait. But he did originally hit at that buzz bait. So we'll go down this bank and see what we can find. They're just here and there. They're just not really on it, but if it agitates them enough, they're gonna blow on it. Had a little bit of rain come through last night. This morning it's still cloudy, but it looks like sun's trying to come out. So maybe them clouds will hold that sun in for just a little bit while we're doing this top water fishing. I got some dead trees right up here in front of me that's laid over in the water, and that's what they've been holding on, like just dead cedars. But we'll see. thought sure he'd blow up out of that. Not happening. I seen that fish. It was a smallmouth that was just cruising, and I threw it out there right there at him. He grabbed it, but he didn't. He missed it. Like he was on a hunt for something to eat. I got that one. He'll just stay on. That's a good one too, boy. Good smallmouth. Get up in here. Wet. He wasn't coming on. Go. Let's see what he'll measure out. I think he's going to be under that 18-inch mark. We'll measure. Oh, 16 and a half, but that's what he was.